World Race Germany continues tonight at Nurburgring on Monster Hobbies slot car racing. Hello once again, slot car race fans. My name is Trevor Selescu and I'm the owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. Well, are you ready to continue on in our World Race Germany Slot Car League? Well, I sure hope so, because tonight we will be racing once again our Ford GTs versus the Corvette CR7s at this great, big, amazing track. This is Nurburgring. And if you would like to build this track, check us out on our Patreon page. I will leave the link below, so you can just click there and go over and see how it is done. And at the end of this video, I have a very special offer to talk about, so you will want to stay tuned until the end of that. And in the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. Click the notification bell so that when we do our next race, you will be at front side. And without further ado, let's go down to the races. Full crew tonight. Josh is back. 6 racers, full power.
wing went somewhere. No, it's me. Somebody in the orange is out. Oh. I must have missed a couple of laps going across the lap.
34 seconds left. 6-3-5-1-2.
There you go, Trevor. Oh, you're back on.
I mean, there's something like cold wind you're having. Oh, there you go. You deserve that.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Oh. That put me in first place.
Really?
Yeah.
That put you in first?
Yeah.
No way.
Oh man.
3, 5, 4, 6, 1. What?
And here are our standings for the race for tonight. I have got 22 points, Josh got 10, Howard got 58, Kevin got 50, Mark got 37, and Glenn got 41. So let's see how this looks overall. And here's our overall standings for the race league. Glenn is in first with 225 points, Howard is second with 219, Kevin is third with 169, Mark and I are both tied at fourth place with 164, and Josh is in fifth with 10. And wasn't that an amazing slot car race? Well, I didn't do as good as I usually do over the night. I was kind of just sluggy and horrible, but it was nice to get all 6 of us racing again. Nice to see Josh again. Speaking of Josh, he has one of these great tow trucks from Carrera, and the back drops down. You can hook a car onto it and everything else. It's got a horn and the lights flash. And if you would like to have your chance to win this car, check out our amazing Monster Hobbies slot car giveaway contest going on now. I will put a video somewhere in here at the end of this video. So next week we will be at the second part of the Nurburgring track, which is the old 1927 Nurburgring South Circuit, which is no longer being used. But I found a vintage map of it and I'll be recreating it here. And you can check out that track next week on our Patreon page on how to build it. Don't forget to check out this track and over at Patreon, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Click that notification bell so that every time I make up a new one, you are at trackside right away. And until next time, slot car race fans, happy racing!